Animals are slowly returning to the canal. This is the first time I've seen a duck in months, ever since before the US Army Corps of Engineers started cleaning out the canal. Oh, that's lovely. And over here, there's an egret. Look at this. Okay, he's going to vanish soon. So now what? Oh, he swam back. It's too big a barrier. Oh my. He's stuck. Maybe he just wanted a little swim out to the barrier and back. And here's some birds here, which I didn't see before. Oh, this is exciting. Now it would really make my day if I could see what I've seen before, which is an iguana running along the bank here, jumping in and swimming across to... Oh, look at that. He did. He got it. He jumped up. Now he's swimming the other side. Oh, that's so cool. Who said birds are stupid? Of course they're not. So there's only one egret there. No, there's something in the water there. Not quite sure what he is. Looks like something. But there's the egret over there. It's interesting, for weeks there was one egret on this side of the canal. And then last week there were two on this side. Oh, there's a pigeon. Downstream it looks like there's something. Something's going on there. Oh, this is exciting. Birds are coming back. And I believe that was the goal. Restoring wetlands. Yeah, this all happened in the last week, all this metal. I don't know what they're doing. Looks like they're shoring up the side. Making sure it all doesn't wash into the canal again. Yeah, I'd say that's what they're doing. So much trash there. That egret. Wow. I wonder if that's the same one that was here all those weeks, 3 weeks ago.